Hi. I'm really sorry that I have to use the same music again. Yeah, Jenny. But it's hard to find music that's free and doesn't have any royalties to it that I like. So hopefully in my next few videos will be different. But yeah, enjoy. As you can see, as you can see, my room is quite messy. My hair turned into something else today. But so today I thought it would be really fun just to make a video about me cleaning. Positions the best. Yeah, I hope you like it, or hopefully it motivates you to clean your room. I just have one little dorm room to worry about, but I still like somehow managed to make it so messy. Yeah, this is the inside of my room. I live in a dorm. Yay. I'll try to find the best angle for y'all to see without having my little heater, my heating system unit in the way. But yeah, hopefully this doesn't take me 2 hours because I have a commitment at like 6 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. Hopefully it'll only take me like a good hour to do. Yeah, I don't want to make a minute-long video. I think it'll go faster though, because typically I like spend time on my phone, so by having it not here, I should be able to finish this a lot faster without my distraction. Wish me good luck. This was me shot 1. I think I'll move you around because you can't really see all of everything here. Yeah, let's get started. I hope you enjoy my cleaning day. It's kind of funny because I'm going home this weekend, so it's not like I'll be able to enjoy it, but at least I have Friday and tonight, I guess, to live in a clean living environment. Yeah, I hope you all get inspired to clean your rooms because it's kind of a pain, especially when you don't deal with messy rooms until you get to the point where it's really bad. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, I guess, you want to see more, subscribe to my channel, hit the notice squads, or just follow me on Instagram, v.v, evenv.v. I a video every week, and it alternates between a vlog or a normal video kind of like this. Bye.